Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to explain to you the angle formed by two secants intersecting outside a circle. Theorem 3 states that the measure of an angle formed by two secants intersecting outside a circle equals one half of the absolute value of the difference of the intersected arcs. So makikita natin dito na ang angle A is equal to one half the measurement of the difference of the intersected arcs. Now, let's use two Coulomb proofs using this example. Given circle Y with line T is and line RV as seconds intersecting at point P, and angle is PB intersects arc RT and arc is B. Prove that the measurement of angle is PB is equal to the measurement of arc RT minus the measurement of arc is B. So, nandito natin statement. Statement 1, draw line segment TV and line segment RS. Ang reason niya is two distinct points determine a line. It is in the fundamental rule of the geometric na if given any two distinct points, there is exists a straight line. So, kailangan talaga natin na mag-draw ng TV and ng line segment TV and line segment RS para natin ma-determine yung iba pang mga theorem. Number 2 is the measurement of angle 1 is equal to the measurement of angle 2 plus measurement of angle is PB. Exterior angle theorem, alam naman natin yon. Number 3 is, statement number 3 is the measurement of angle 1 is equal to the 1 half measurement of arc RT. Measurement of angle 2 is equal to 1 half of the measurement of arc is B. Alam naman natin inscribed angle theorem na states that the measurement of the inscribed angle is equal to one half the measurement of the intercepted arcs. Now, for statement number 4, since na-establish naman natin yung statement 1, 2, 3, na mapoprove na natin yung theorem na the measurement of angle SPB is equal to one half the measurement of arc RT minus measurement of arc SB, or the measurement of angle SPB is equal to one half of the difference of the intercepted arcs. And reason is substitution. Now let's have an example for this theorem. Find the measurement of the exterior angle formed by two secants intersecting outside a circle. So, yung two secants na form is the line E, B, and line CD. Nag-intersect sila sa point E. Makikita natin yung intercepted arc is may dalawang mga measurement, yung 134 degrees and 30 degrees. Yung kanyang major arc is, or arc EC is measure 134 degrees. Yung kanyang minor arc or arc BD is 30 degrees. Ito yung kanyang formula para makita natin yung measurement sa angle of the exterior formed by two secants intersecting outside the circle is equal to the measurement of the exterior angle formed by two secants intersecting outside circle is equal to one half of the difference of the larger arc minus the smaller arc. So, makikita natin yung substitute natin yung yung mga value nito is 134 yung larger arc natin minus 30 degrees na smaller arc natin. So, makikita natin na 134 minus 30 degrees is 14. Then, 104 times lang natin sa 1 half. Kaya, 52 degrees yung measurement ng kanyang exterior angles formed by two secants intersecting outside the circle. So, you can see,